Hello Geminis, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is this is the reading between you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and please feel free to swap your sides. So let's see what's going on with the Geminis. Let's see what's on your side. Oh my god, what are you doing? Cards are just flying out for you. So let's see what's there on the. Okay, so here we have Six of Cups on your side. Two of Swords on your person's side. Most likely outcome is the Three of Pentacles. Okay, so as far as your side is concerned, you are either reconciling actually or at least wanting to reconcile with someone. On your person's side, this person is too guarded and they're taking your time, totally closed off or detached, trying to find some answers, or they are just taking that time. They are not investing over here at all. They're totally on by themselves. And with the Three of Pentacles, perhaps this is talking about some sort of a discussion between two of you. Let's see what's there behind the cards. So let's see, why is this Six of Cups here for? So we have the Chariot, the High Priestess, and the Eight of Wands on your side. Okay. So why is this Two of Swords here on the person's side? The Emperor, the Four of Wands, and the Five of Swords. Okay. Let's see, why is this Three of Pentacles here for? We have the Hermit, the Five of Cups, and the Five of Pentacles. Okay, so as far as you are concerned, you want reconciliation with this person. You are basically, your intuition says that you really want reconciliation with this person. With the Chariot, you are actually either wanting things to move very fast, or perhaps they even start moving very fast. I'll have to see that when I'll be reading the other cards, but definitely either you plan to take that action very fast, perhaps, but definitely with the Chariot, either you want to take a action very fast towards this reconciliation, or you are actually moving fast. Okay, so it can be at the planning level only in your head, that you just want it immediately. The energy which I'm getting is you just want it instantly and immediately. That is what you want. And with the Eight of Wands, I do see a lot of communication which is going on, but with the High Priestess, I don't see that this is anything wrong, because that is, with the High Priestess, your intuition says that this is the right thing for you to do. Okay, this is the right thing for you to do at this point in time, wherever this relationship is in your life. You see that this is the only way out, perhaps, or this is the person you really need to connect with from the past. It's your intuition which is guiding you to, so you are actually either moving fast or planning to do so. Okay, so this Eight of Wands and the Chariot is talking about that instant action, a lot of communication, which either you are planning to do or you are actually doing. Okay, but yes, this is what you feel is right. and you are pretty sure about it. Okay, so you are pretty sure about this fact that this is the right decision, basically. And maybe it is. Let's see how the reading proceeds. On your person side, we have the Two of Swords. So here we have the Emperor, the Four of Wands, and the Five of Swords. So this Two of Swords is because of the fact with the Five of Swords, what I see is this person seems to be a little bit, so obviously because there is a reconciliation card over there, that's what you want. So basically, so obviously you have some sort of a past with this person. Okay, maybe you have broken up with this person obviously for some reason, and here energy which I'm getting is that there was a time when this person felt fed up. That is the word which I'm getting, fed up for some reason in this relationship. There was something, and this reconciliation thing is also, whenever they think of reconciling, they feel that it'll again be a mess, it'll again create problems, and they just don't want to listen to it. Actually, it's something like that over here. Okay, what you want is immediate reconciliation, and this person is sort of, uh, I don't want to listen to it, don't talk to me about it, I'm fed up, I'm irritated. And this is what they feel. They want liberation. Maybe perhaps you were very controlling, it can be that. Or maybe this person at least feels that control even if you are not, because with the Emperor and the Five of Swords, uh, this person wants liberation. That's what I'm getting. They feel liberated when they are alone. So maybe there was some sort of overbearing attitude, some sort of control, or something like that, which I'm getting, that this person felt too tied or too. This person basically loves freedom. That is what they want. Okay, so if even if this connection is there, this person with the Emperor, they have that dominating attitude also. Perhaps they have that persona, they have that personality, that they, you cannot tie them, or sort of not tie them, not in that way that they won't be committed, but the thing is they love their own freedom. Okay, and this relationship perhaps was toxic in that aspect. That's what I'm trying to say. They felt that their freedom was hampered. Okay, and they just don't want that thing to come again in their life, and that is why they are taking their time and they are fed up. They just don't want that toxicity in their life. They view it as they love their independence. You know what, they just love their independence. That is why they are not investing, they are taking their time. And here with the Four of Wands also, I'm not getting that this Four of Wands is that they are spending their, they are happy alone. That's what I'm saying. They are happy to be alone. They have their own life, sort of. They feel that this is a better way to be with. Maybe they are parting with their friends over here. Okay, but they are just not, they feel irritated when you perhaps talk of reconciliation or this coming back together. They don't want to deal with that negativity again. That's what I'm getting. I'm getting this card as a very powerful card actually. This is the main reason behind your breakup actually, for whatever it was, or your, if it is not an actual breakup, for whatever is going on in your life. This is the major card. They feel fed up, they don't want it again. This person wants independence. This person have a life of their own. This person is perhaps dominating. They have that persona. You can't sort of subdue them. Okay, and as the outcome, as I said, with the Three of Pentacles, perhaps this was discussion between both of you, or maybe you with your friends trying to make up your mind what to do, how to go about, because of the mutual outcome with the Hermit, the Five of Cups, and the Five of Pentacles. I don't think you are actually reconciling. So perhaps immediately you start talking and communicating with this person because you want immediate reconciliation, and this is what they don't want. They want their own time. So give them time, perhaps. Give them time. Perhaps this is so on and off, not on and off, I should say, so much of communication and so rapid action may actually put them off. Okay. So give them that time, perhaps, first of all. And here with the Hermit, with the Five of Cups, and with the Five of Pentacles, I don't see it is actually happening. What I'm getting here is that with the Hermit, they want their own time. Though you think this is right for you with the High Priestess, but here with the Hermit, I feel this person is content and happy alone, sort of. They want the time either, perhaps. So give them that time. And here with the Five of Cups and with the Five of Pentacles, what I feel is that you are feeling now lost, in agony. You are trying to shut off from the world, spending that time alone because you feel depressed because this person is just not responding. So here with the Hermit, what I feel is give them the time. If you really want it, give them that time. At least you have to do this for now. Maybe in some future this person may respond, but at least not for now. This person is not going to respond now. They want that time. They want the time. Don't rush. Maybe this rushing in towards them is creating all the problems, so don't do that. Let's see what is the guidance from the universe. Appreciate this moment. Every situation is an opportunity to grow and find love. Number 33 or number 6 may be of some significance for you. So if this moment calls to give them time, give them time. That's what I see. And whatever this situation has happened between both of you, you need to understand that it has some lessons to teach you. So if this person wants liberation and freedom, some sort of freedom, they can't be with you 24/7. They can't keep on listening to you all the time. Maybe that is their nature. Maybe they want to be with their friends, and that is the time you're not giving them. So if that was this thing has taught you that, so you need to appreciate this moment also, rather than becoming very negative and depressed. Okay, so you need to understand this and learn the lessons from it, so that perhaps in near future you may get back to this person. This person may respond. So give it time, learn your lessons, and let's see how it proceeds next time. So that's all I have for you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.